Again, up this time is our quietest member, is Ernie Duncan.
Cheers, John. The Kirk Moose. I'm a wee Kirk Moose, and I haven't got a name. But on Muckle Kirk at the corner is my home, with the cock and the steeple and the bell that gangs down. And I wish that I was big enough to go it year in. I can sing all the psalms, I can say all the prayers, and the whiles do a dance up and down the pulpit stairs. I ken all the texts, I can find them in the book, and there's mony a human being with a notion where to look. When the minister says, firstly, and the folk are settled down, I get creeping in amongst their Sunday sheep. And I'm wishing as I'm jinking for the passage to the pew that they'll maybe drop a £100 or a better tune. For I'm sometimes awful hungry and there's nothing much to eat except the paraphrases or a hymn book for a treat. I've eaten the old hunger, I've chowed beatitudes, but I canna say I've found them the tastiest of foods. I'm a wee Kirk Moose, and I haven't got a name, but I'm really quite contented. It's just my empty whim. So I'm hoping that some Sunday, would you mind about me, please, and bring me in your Bible just a wee bit taste of cheese.